Snoring is not just a habit, it's a clear warning sign. Sleep apnea silently affects your breathing while you sleep, making your heart and body struggle all night. Untreated sleep apnea increases the chance of heart problems, stroke, and even diabetes. But there is hope. With CPAP therapy, your nights can become peaceful and mornings refreshing again. Take the first step today. Book your sleep study consultation with Srivari Healthcare. Call +91 98845 22252.